Now, in this lesson, we are going to be doing data handling pie charts. Now, let's take a look how we're going to do this. All right, now in this first one that we're going to do here, the learners in this pie chart here, the learners took part in a survey to choose their favorite fruit juice out of 4 different types. And you can see the 4 different types here on the pie chart. And you can see why it's called a pie chart, because it looks as though the pie has been cut into different slices. Can you see that? Let us take a look at the key. This is very important to always look at the key before you begin to try to solve the pie chart questions. Right, so the key says that 5 learners chose lychee juice. So if 5 learners chose lychee juice, we can put a little 5 here to remind us that this piece of the pie, the size is 5 learners. Okay, now let's look at the questions. Right, the first question, what fraction chose lychee? Now remember, a fraction always means that the pie or the pizza or whatever the thing is has been divided and shared into equal slices. Now, how many slices has this one been shared into? We know this is 1. Let's mark this as 1. Here's another, the same size piece is this little piece here. Can you see on the outside of the circumference of the circle? There's a little marking there. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see 8 slices? So we know that the whole pizza altogether then is 8 eighths. All right, as a fraction. What fraction chose lychee? Only 1 little slice out of the 8 chose lychee, so it's 1/8. All right. Number 2, what fraction chose peach? Okay, how many of the slices? It was 2 slices there, portions out of 8. So it was 2/8. Now we also know that 2/8 is the same as 1/4. That's right. Right, they chose peach. Number 3, how many chose orange? How many pieces is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 8. And we know that 4/8 is the same as 1/2. And in fact, you can see this, the size of this piece here. You can actually see it's half chose orange. Can you see that? How many? We don't only want a fraction here. They said how many. So what is 4/8? If 1/8 is 5, there you are. Let's times it. 5 times by 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many pieces. That's how many children chose. It was 20 children chose orange. Then the last question, how many learners took part in the survey? All right, so if 1/8 was 5, then 8/8, we're going to times 5 by, sorry, we're going to times 5 by 8. 5 times 8 equals 40 learners, and that's how many children took part. That's how many children took part in the survey. Okay, so now I hope that you will enjoy doing your pie chart today.